Hello, friends. So, in my house, a baby fell from its nest, and so there are a lot of cats. So I don't know what to do. So I brought it in my home, and I am feeding the bird. Actually, I kept it in the nest again, but it fell from the nest, and I don't want the bird to die. So I am feeding the bird. We'll see after it grows up and is ready to fly. We'll think what to do next. So please, you can watch the bird. This is actually a black-billed magpie. So let me show you how to feed it. So this is the feed which I have prepared on my own. I have actually mixed some millets and egg, and then uh, milk biscuit, and then uh, rusk. Actually, milk is not good for birds, so we should not give milk directly. So I gave it as a biscuit, and then I have also mixed few ingredients like wheat and then moong dal. So it's right now having a nutritious meal. Please do comment and tell me what I should do. Should I let it go after it grows up, or should I have it with me? Please comment, and based on the comments, we'll decide what to do next. But it's happy here with me. Okay, guys. So it's actually ready to fly to some extent, but not completely.